Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Cash App can't delete account. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, check your balance. Ensure your Cash application balance is zero. If you have any fund in your account, you will need to withdraw or transfer them before deleting your account. After that, make sure to update the app. Open the App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Cash App. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And once you tap onto it, if this blue button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. If you're still unable to delete your account, you can reach out to Cash App Support. You can use the in-app support feature or visit your official website to explain your issue and get assistance. Once your balance is cleared and you have the latest version of application, you can go to your account settings and follow the prompt to delete your account, ensuring you confirm your deletion when prompted. After initiating the deletion, you should receive a confirmation message. So, after that, check your email or the app notification to ensure that your account has been successfully deleted. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.